In a scientific text or study, the research question is the hub around which all other parts are organized. The research question and how it's formulated affects or even decides all other parts of the study, such as background, how you choose to limit your study, method and results. Therefore, formulating a valid research question is a very important part of the process of accomplishing a degree project. Remember that it takes some time to come up with a workable research question, and that in many cases it's more about narrowing down a problem or work to learn more in a certain area, and then along the way adjust your questions rather than a certainty beforehand. You could say that a bachelor, master or PhD project is a journey from what you know to what you can imagine yourself to learn to know. What then is a good research question, and how do you come up with one? There has to be an aim with the study, that there is something new to learn or the increase of knowledge in a specific area. It can be a solution to a problem, that you develop new processes, products or techniques in an area. It has to be precise and concise so that it's understandable what the aim is. Think carefully about demarcations. It also has to be researchable. You have to come up with a research question that needs a method to be answered. And the question has to be complex, no yes and no questions, and no leading questions where you already know the answer. Your study has to be a true inquiry. I'll give you some tips for how to work in order to form your research question. Search for the core of the problem. You may know in what area you would like to make a study, and you may know your topic, but now you need to think about what's relevant and what's interesting enough to grapple with. Ask yourself how this problem is connected to other problems. What is its context? What are the parts of the problem, and think about how these problems are connected. Or there might be several problems that are connected. Is there a hierarchy of problems, and how would you structure it? Is there an order of importance of certain aspects of the problem? Also, what are the central concepts and terms within this area that you have chosen to study? Finally, use your curiosity and your desire to ask further questions and seek answers. You should also discuss your topic with fellow students and your teachers to get feedback on your thinking.